Alright guys, here I have what I've heard a lot of people have been waiting for. That's the KiCA Jet Fan Max. The specs are absolutely mind-blowing. It has a built-in 785 watts motor, but it's still powered by a rechargeable and even replaceable battery. And the maximum wind speed is supposed to be an absolutely incredible 324 kilometers. That's way more than category 5 Hurricane. It can be used as a vacuum blower, duster, even leaf blower, car dryer. And so I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and how you can charge, how you can use and how much power this really has. And I'm trying to figure out what the maximum wind speed really is. But of course my testing devices are a little bit limited when it comes to sheer power. But let's take it out and see what we can do. By the way, what we get here is an absolutely cool designed packaging. So that could also be an absolutely amazing gift. And so we have the instructions. But again, it's not only a duster, it's also a vacuum. And so we can see here the tip with this really nice filter. Then we get some nozzles here, nice brush, charging cable, standard USB-A to modern USB-C, but it's a fancy one, purple design, probably because of the high charging speed. And then we have this device, and it's definitely not a toy. That's not something which you can put easily in your pocket. I mean, you can see it still fits somehow, but that's not something which you want to carry always with you. If you need that, then I highly recommend this small KiCA blower duster. That's something which fits easily into a small pocket. But this thing here is not only much larger, this thing is also a lot heavier. I can tell you, I mean, I can hold it, but I can definitely feel that there's something here inside. And we can definitely see that we have a battery which we can remove, replace. Definitely pretty cool design. When we push here, we can see the charging level in percent. So we have these three buttons here. The one here we can use to just check for the charge, and then it disappears. But when we long press, it activates the blower. Looks a little bit different. We get the small blue icon here, which is indicating a fan. And then we can use this slider here, or we can use this turbo button, which instantly starts blowing. I stopped this here because it's pretty strong, I can tell you. But of course we can also use this one here. What's amazing here, when you are using just a little bit of power, then it's still very quiet. Yeah, turn this to my side. Otherwise you probably can't understand anything. And it's blowing already quite some air outside, but it's still very quiet. I don't know if it's possible to use it on a 1, that's the lowest setting. You can see it's blowing already and still quiet. Not absolutely quiet, not like this one here, which is pretty much absolutely quiet on the lowest setting. This one we can hear, but that's of course a different thing. While this one here is probably the Volkswagen, and this one here is more like the Lamborghini, the super high maximum power thing. I don't even know if I can do that here inside. It's absolutely incredible. I've tried this already before. Let's see if we can do that. Yeah, it's a feeling like almost behind a jet engine. I mean, it's some kind of a jet engine, and the power is absolutely amazing. Something which I've never seen before from such a small thing. This is almost comparable to a gas leaf blower. Of course, it has a smaller diameter, is pushing out less air, but the speed is probably at least what we have from a gas leaf blower or even more. And the amazing thing, what I really like here, is how quiet it is. Usually with leaf blowers or even jet blowers, the noise is increasing. The higher the speed, the higher the noise. But with this thing here on maximum power, the noise is even reducing. So it looks like it's built for maximum power. And so I've been running a couple of tests, also a couple of crazy tests. I've tried to test the maximum wind speed on my old Accurate weather station. I got a little bit more than 140 kilometers, not miles. So I'm not sure if you can really reach more than 300 kilometers, even though the Accurate weather station is of course not a professional one. But it was not damaged at the very end, so it was still measuring somehow, but I don't know if that was really accurate from the Accurate weather station. But also amazing how you can push around like water, you can dry surfaces, and it was absolutely amazing to see how fast I could dry the cover of my outdoor grill. And not only remove the water drops, not only push them away, but really dry the surface. That was absolutely amazing. Of course, you can also push some leaves away, but it's definitely not a full replacement for a full-size leaf blower, not even for a 20 volts leaf blower, because they just have more air volume. Here we have really high speed, but it's very concentrated only, where usually on a leaf blower we have much more air volume to push away some leaves. But it's still super impressive. There are definitely some applications where this absolutely works, also to ignite a fire, even inflate some tools if you find a nozzle. I've seen there are some nozzles around for that, and of course you can also use it as a vacuum, because we have a thread here and we have also a thread here, and so we can screw it on top of the air intake. Has a really solid hold. By the way, also on the exhaust, where the air is coming out, there's a thread, so I can imagine that they will deliver more nozzles in the future. So we can add even this extension and then the brush. And so let's see if we can pick up some rice grains. So I increase it to the maximum. Yeah, definitely no problem. So we can remove it here again. So we have everything inside, and so we can remove the whole filter part here, probably even washable, makes a good impression. And so we can put everything back here, what it has been picking up. So there's definitely no doubt about that. This is super powerful. It also has powerful charge. I've already tried it with high power charging, and it showed up to 48 watts charging speed. That's really a lot. That's more than most smartphones these days can take, and something which always has been impressive no matter how long I've been using it. This is how quiet this really works. It's absolutely amazing. This has 10 times the power or even more of a normal duster, and it still doesn't produce the noise of even a small tiny dust. That's super impressive. And it's a beauty. It's solid build. There's not much to complain. You just have to find where you can really use that. But it could also be a really nice gift to just play around and find out. Definitely something which I've never seen before, definitely not with this power in this quality. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link where you can buy it down into the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this jet blower, then just write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.